Unlocking the creative potential of children, teachers, and communities around the world is one of the 5 most important factors determining the success of a country in the 21st century. So what is the secret sauce for success? It is curiosity. Curiosity is the most vital natural resource available to human beings. Curiosity is the foundation of innovation and creativity. When you ask more questions, when you inquire more, you begin to create and discover and innovate more. You begin to solve more problems. Sadly, there's a scarcity of curiosity in India. 98% of children between 2 and 4 in India ask questions. By the time they leave high school, less than 10% of children ask questions. A child joins school as a question mark and ends up as a full stop. When they eventually join the workforce, he or she lacks the curiosity, the problem-solving skills that he or she desperately needs to make a success and contribution in the 21st century. Agastya has been working since 2000 to reverse the destruction of curiosity, India's most vital natural resource. Through its mission to spark curiosity, nurture creativity, and instill confidence through hands-on experiential learning in science and the arts. And Agastya has been doing this through its 172-acre campus in Kuppam, Andhra Pradesh, a veritable crucible for creative learning, with multiple hands-on experiential learning centers, an open-air ecology lab, a teacher training center that welcomes teachers from across India and around the world. And this Center for Creative Learning is supported by an extensive outreach program, mobile science vans, labs on motorbikes that won the Google Global Impact Award, Operation Vasanta night village schools, science centers across 19 states in India. Agastya reaches nearly 2 million children every year and tens of thousands of teachers in unimaginably creative ways, innovative ways, hands-on experiential ways. And the good news is, Agastya's work is having impact on a national scale. This impact is seen in terms of the number of underprivileged children from poor backgrounds winning science prizes for their innovative projects, competing with the best and brightest kids from across the country from the most well-resourced schools. In terms of Agastya's Young Instructor Leader program, where we teach thousands of children to teach other children, the peer-to-peer learning program. And a very high proportion of the peer-to-peer learners, the Young Instructor Leaders, have entered college and university, and some of them are now pursuing their master's programs and even their PhDs. This impact is seen among tens of thousands of children for whom Agastya has conducted questionnaires and tests that gauge the change in the levels of curiosity, awareness, and creativity among children. This impact is seen through hundreds of case stories that highlight the profound impact of Agastya's work on how a child thinks, on how a child becomes more curious and creative and innovative. So, as we spread Agastya's work across the country through more and more partners, we expect to see the level of impact grow exponentially. But Agastya can't do this all alone. Agastya needs your support, because you, with your skills, expertise, and resources, can make a huge difference to sparking curiosity and creativity and innovation on a massive level. Working with Agastya, partnering with Agastya, you can bring about vital behavioral shifts from yes to why, from looking to observing, from being very passive to learning to explore, from being very textbook bound to being hands-on, and most important, from fear to confidence. When these shifts begin to occur in large numbers across thousands of schools in India and across thousands of teachers in India, there will be a veritable sea change in the capacity of India to innovate and create. And that is something where you can make a difference. So come, join us, jump on board, visit our website and see how you can make a difference to Agastya's mission to bring about a new India, an India of creators, problem solvers, innovators who are anchored, connected and humane. Thank you very much.